Hi guys, so I have this vinyl. You buy it off the yard and it's so bulky and it's really hard to store and it creases very easily, as you can see. My mum was just over, so a big shout out to her because this is a tip that I'm going to give you right from my mum. So as you can see, this vinyl creases really bad and it's very hard to store. You buy it off the yard, and I think I must have bought half a yard of it. I can't even remember the project I was making. I think I may have been making some luggage tags with it. I really should make some clear pouches, zipper pouches for traveling and stuff like that. That would be really useful with this stuff, and I might do that. Previously, I was just storing this vinyl in a storage bin. Just one of them big plastic storage containers. But the problem with that is that I'm in and out of them storage bins all the time. So I'm creasing this up to the 8th degree. So this is how we are going to store this vinyl going forward. I am currently in my living room and the vinyl is going to go on the floor, and I am going to just place my rug over the top of it. So I have this really heavy rug and it is going to store my vinyl. And there you go. That is vinyl storage. That not even Sophia knows where it is. So not only is it going to be a fantastic place to store my vinyl, it is also over time going to help to flatten them creases out because that rug is so heavy compressed on the top of it. I hope you've enjoyed this tip of storing your vinyl. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.